Fusaka will be here in just a few short hours. Now, you might be asking yourself, Bleeds, what is Fusaka and why are you so handsome? Well, thank you, first of all, for recognizing. It's because I work out. Fusaka, the 17th major upgrade to Ethereum, comes just about 7 months after Petra. And by the way, have I told you guys every single time exactly what's going to happen with the Ethereum upgrades and how it's going to make everything faster, more robust and stuff like that? Of course, because I was right. And remember, all of these people came into chat not long ago when Petra was coming out, told me, I don't know what I'm talking about. I have no idea. But guess what? How much are you paying in fees right now for your Ethereum transaction? Pennies on the dollar. That's right, pennies on the dollar. Do you know why? Because I'm always right. I mean, it's just like the song says. I mean, Jesus, it's that simple. It's that simple. It really is. It's just that simple. Let's move over here. All right, Fusaka maintains the naming convention of tying the execution layer upgrade, an earthly city, Osaka this time around, with the consensus layer improvement given nod to a heavenly body. And the star Fulu came into this. So it's Fulu, Osaka, Fusaka. Fusaka's enhancements don't include the dramatic user experience innovations or staking modifications in Petra, but rather focus on back-end boosts to enable some of the biggest gains in network scaling since 2022. This is a major milestone. This is real scaling capacity, network efficiency and security. And how do you benefit? The changes include in Fusaka are carefully designed and implemented by the global Ethereum development community, working in public and in active dialogue with researchers, client teams, and validators. Each upgrade undergoes community feedback and meticulous planning before mainnet activation. Fusaka's dozens EIP have undergone 3 successful testnet runs in recent months. The changes: scaling rollup efficiency with EIP 7594, introducing peer DAS. This is data availability sampling. These are the blobs that you get that allow for the moving from the L2 back up to the L1. It's going to be much cheaper. It will allow many nodes in the network to store less data from blobs and allow us to increase the data available in blobs at the same time. Prior to peer DAS, all nodes had to store all of the blob data, and this is no longer a requirement. Also, higher throughput and gas limit changes. Now remember, you can actually pay for your transactions, the gas for your transactions, with your own native currency now if you are tokenized on the Ethereum network. So in the event that you had, I don't know, Blocky, you could actually create a mechanism by which Blocky becomes the gas that runs your ecosystem, Roger, if you're listening. The default block gas limit is set to rise, targeting 60 million gas. This is an intentional move toward consistent scaling. The 7825 introduces a transaction gas limit cap of 16.7 million gas. This limit is a proactive DOS hardening measure that ensures no single transaction can consume an entire block, making the network more resilient. Then you have passkey support. By the way, this means this means your seed phrase for your wallets is going to change as we expand and work on this ecosystem. This is a fundamental shift that enables smoother onboarding, easier recovery, and multi-factor flows that resemble modern apps without requiring a seed phrase. This is a massive move and a massive change in cryptocurrency. Also, 7939, which is count leading zeros opcode, which makes certain math operations faster and cheaper. You prevent a single transaction from clogging the network. You can help transaction fees fair and adaptive to network congestion. You can allow Ethereum to safely and gradually increase network data capacity between big upgrades. It reduces the risk of network delays and attacks from oversized blocks. It helps the network know who is proposing blocks ahead of time and makes it easier for monitoring tools and validators to check network settings. Guys, I can't stress enough, this is the biggest upgrade that we've seen for Ethereum, okay? This is going to be a huge fundamental paradigm shift in the way Ethereum is run.